Welcome back, guys. I'm here with Myfirstwig once again. Got a drawstring bag with some stuff inside, including the wig and some more like goodies and stuff in the bag, in the box. So I have this Myfirstwig information like booklet, well, pamphlet, has how to care for your hair and all those good stuff. So yeah, and then I have this pouch branded. As usual, this always comes in a Myfirstwig package with these 2 clips as well as this comb. So that always comes in very handy. Got a branded drawstring bag as well, and this is gonna be handy for storage. And then inside we have like the invoice with, you know, the wig information, a pair of HD wig caps, and then finally the wig. So this is a bob, you know, it's summer. Loving it. This is how it comes straight out of the package. It feels so silky and stuff. You guys know, I don't know if you know, but if it's the first time watching, welcome. Myfirstwig is definitely one of those companies, okay? It's definitely one of those companies that always give great glueless wig options. This is bomb, guys. So this is a 10-inch bob. It's a silky texture, silky straight, smooth and soft texture. It's Malaysian hair that they say is used for this, and this wig can last 1 to 2 years with proper care. All right, and it's a 1B color. As you can see, it is a Swiss lace front. It's pre-cut, pre-plucked and pre-cut. It's pre-bleached and tinted, and it's a 13x6 in the mid portion. On the sides it's not as deep. It's on the sides it's not as deep, but in the middle you have a lot of space to work with. And there's also 2 adjustable straps in the back, as well as, well, that they attached here, and 2 more in the back, so you can further have better security. And there are 3 combs on the inside. So this is the wig we're working with, and I'm so excited to go ahead and do a really nice glueless install with this for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, I was basically just lining up the front of the wig to my natural hairline here, and as you can see, I literally just pulled the wig on. The line at the front of the lace is so undetectable, like that's so melted, and there's absolutely no product. Now, before I went ahead and secured the sides, I was just doing a shake test to show you guys how secure the wig is on my head without any product whatsoever. So yes, you don't have to worry about wearing it glueless and wondering if it's gonna fall off your head. No, it won't. They made it so secure, and it's very lightweight. Yeah, right here I was pretty much just looking at the hairline and I was like, yo, where is the line? I'm not seeing the lace. This is too good. Like, Myfirstwig, you really did your thing. And as you can see, there's absolutely no product right there. It's very undetectable knots, and I think it's a win. This wig, definitely, if you invest in this wig for yourself, it's gonna look so timeless. I basically went on to removing the excess around the ear portion that wouldn't allow it to lay like I wanted it to. So that's what I was thinking of at the sides. And later on in the video, I actually did apply some spray to, you know, let the sides stay down flat like I want it to. I always show you guys, so I kind of just, you know, skipped over that part, but I was just showing you guys how you could go ahead and you could get a nice center part, you could get a nice side part from this 13x6 lace front. Yeah, and it looks so realistic. That looks just like scalp, so I think they did their thing with this. It's so natural looking, and as I said, the hair is very silky, it's very soft. And I decided that I wanted to go ahead and do a side part today. So I got my hot comb and I started to lay it in that direction. And I went through it further down in the video with my flat iron so that I could have that bone straight, sleek look. And look at that. That looks like it's great for my scalp. No baby hairs needed, no swoops. It is gorgeous. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Super easy to install, perfect for my beginners. If you guys are interested in getting this wig for yourself, the direct link to it will be in my description box. All the specifications will be listed as well. That's pretty much it for today's look. So easy, so to the point. You need to go ahead and get yourself one for summer. I think it's so fitting for summer. Like, the length is just perfect. If you're that type of person that can't deal with a lot of hair and you just want something cute and easy and quick to install, this is your wig. All right, 10 out of 10 would recommend. I didn't get any shedding, by the way, from this wig, so I absolutely love that. But yeah, that's it. That's all. Go ahead, check out my description box down below. If I have any discount code, it will be listed. Any further information that you may need to know is listed down there as well. Shout out to Myfirstwig once more for today's wig look, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.
I trust in you.